fishing at the creek with worms. Let's go. So look at all this water. We just made it. Look at all this water we have to scale, so we're going to throw the chest cam on and get it done. You're in about knee-deep water, barely knee-deep water right here. Okay, yeah, there's a ledge. Alright guys, slightly shallower water right here. We still got a lot of water to scale until we get back over there, but we can do it. Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right over there in that little tree pile, there's a mink. I'll go over here and see if I can't get a better look at him. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys can't see that, but he's over here in that little pile over there. That's so cool, though. Probably ate the sucker that I threw up there yesterday. Alright, guys. We got our rod right here. I'm going to try this first cast. Hopefully I don't miss him like I was last time. You guys should watch that video. Just my last video. It was crazy. I kept missing every single fish. But we'll catch one. Alright guys, just had a massive bite. I don't know if he's still on. That was massive. It looked like a trout. Maybe even a red-tailed suckerfish or a red horse. Not sure, but that was massive. I'll check it. Oh no, I don't got him. Alright guys, we're having bites. Not sure if he's on. Yeah, he's on there. Got one. Oh, he popped off. It's a rock bass. Alright guys, so as we are doing this, once again, trying to get this right, trying to catch some fish, I'll get back to you as soon as we get one. Alright guys, we just had a big hit. Oh yeah, the bill's going off, the rod's going. Got one. Feels nice. Don't know exactly what it is. Ooh, it's a rocker. I will take it. A little small, but I will take it. Alright guys, first fish of the day right here. Have a little rock bass. Still a beautiful fish. I love catching these guys even though they're small. I just think they're beautiful. Just look at the markings on them. Dorsal fin, got the spines down here. Absolutely beautiful. Let's let him go. Alright guys. Oh yeah, right back to where he came from. Alright. Once again. Alright guys, finally out of that. Let's get over to the spot. Kinda gotta scale it in through here. I haven't been back here in actually quite a while, guys. So this is kind of a, ooh, ow. Okay, yeah. A little hard way to scale. Holy crap, there's a lot of trash down here. Alright guys, so we pretty much made it. We were just waiting for a hit. So yeah, we'll get to it. Well, that could very well be a fish right here. Oh no. Just the sticks there. Alright guys, so we definitely got one right here, I think, at least. No. Shoot. Alright guys, so we definitely do not have fish as of the moment. We'll definitely get one. Alright guys, I think we got a fish. No. Shoot. This is just like yesterday, guys. I'm missing them like crazy. Just let our rod sit down there. Set our rod down and wait for a bite. Alright guys, second fish of the day right here. We have a, oh nice, looks like a rocker. Alright guys, so this guy actually swallowed it, so I'm going to have to get my pliers to get it out, but beautiful little specimen right here. Love these little guys. I caught one earlier. Alright guys, so that fish got hooked him. I don't think he survived. I threw him back in, but we're going to re-rig and see if we can't catch any more. I'm hoping for a trout. Alright guys, very well might have fish here. No. Dang it. There's definitely fish over here, though. I mean, that's drag. There's definitely fish over here, guys, but we'll catch them. All right, guys, there's a fish on here. Alright, got him. Oh, what? No way. Definitely not my favorite catch of the day. Alright, guys, there's a fish. He's biting. Alright, guys, we are back in the water. We're just gonna see if we can't get a bite, and then we'll get back. You guys are kidding me, right? I went to pick up my rod to reel it, and this is what was on it. You're kidding me.